Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's a Sunday morning today and I've just got out of the shower and I'm now just going to put my moisturiser on. I'm going to have a makeup free day today as my skin's a bit sore as you can see. But yeah, I've just had I've cleaned the bathrooms this morning and yeah, I just thought I'd get ready before I did the rest of the house. I need to put a wash on, hoover, dust and change the bed sheets. And then that's pretty much done. I need to do like a quick whiz of the kitchen, so like clean the kitchen sink and stuff as well. So yeah, I'll take you along with me on that. And also I think maybe I'm going for a walk with my mum. I need to give her and my stepdad their anniversary card. So yeah, I'll just put my moisturiser on and then we'll probably write out that card just so it's all ready. So yeah, I put my moisturiser on now. I forgot to mention that I've been cleaning with all of the windows open just to let some fresh air in the house. But it's actually really quite warm out there today. It's the 21st of February and it is, I mean, it's saying 11 degrees, but I think that's quite warm compared to it being like -4, feeling like -8 literally a week ago. But yeah, and I've been listening to Taylor Swift Fearless album while I clean as well. A bit of a throwback, but I just love it so much. But yeah, this is the card that I've got for my mum and Sean. It's our first wedding anniversary. I couldn't get one that said mum and stepdad. Tesco had very limited choices, and because we're in lockdown I couldn't go anywhere else basically to get the card. But then yeah, my mum got me a little Valentine's Day bag as well, and we've got some underwear, chocolate orange, some Oreos, hand sanitizer and little Lindor balls. So I'm just going to take them out so I can give her back the bag today as well. But yeah. phone because my camera ran out of battery. But such a lovely day, and Matt's home from work and all the cleaning is done. We just need to put these things in the wheelie bin, but we are now going to go for a lovely walk in the sun. I think we still need a coat because it's about 11 degrees, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do.